Music is my only source of energy. It keeps me happy, it keeps me going, it keeps me fresh.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना है दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता। पहला नशा पहला खुमार,
Well, I'd say music is an inseparable part of my life. Music completes me.
इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनको से चल बना ले आशिया। हे दिल देख देखो दिल देख देखो दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी।
I've met Jimmy only 2 years ago, but since the time I've met him, it looks like he's actually my long lost brother from another mother. The amount of love, the amount of respect he's shown towards me and my family is unbelievable. In fact, आज की डेट में हमें कोई भी देखता है साथ, तो वो कहता है कि you're actually either a couple or actually great brother.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर ले जाए, गोरे गोरे ओ बाके छोरे, अरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो बरा बरा बरा, ओ गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो।
You know, in real life, he's a very simple man. He's a very shy person. But when you see him on stage, it's unbelievable. He is a different entity. He's a different soul altogether. And I can proudly say that he is one of the finest entertainers we have in the country today.
बहुत भोला है बेचारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा।
When you see him on stage, he has his rock star personality. People actually can mistake him for someone who's very arrogant, but he actually knows to make, but he's someone who actually knows how to make others feel really special. And that's exactly what I love about him. Jimmy, do you remember
Brother!
But do you remember the first time you ever sang?
I remember me in the 3rd standard regularly singing for the assembly, school assembly, and also winning a inter-school music competition where I sang one prayer song.
याद है तेरे को कौन सा था?
तेरी आराधना करूं तेरी like a school gospel song. Yeah. I was in Xavier's.
Jaipur.
Jaipur. Yeah.
And when was the first time you started to hold a guitar?
मैं पापा को बोलता था मुझे इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखना. That time I was more inclined towards learning a keyboard. हम लोग बचपन में कैसियो बोलते थे. कैसियो बोलते.
Because इस पे कैसियो लिखा होता था.
तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था चर्च में बजाना. Because church में we used to see lot of boys playing guitar, playing keyboards. I started when I was in almost 6th end, yeah.
Which
so
is
since
at the age of 11.
11, I'm playing the guitar.
And you're playing the guitar.
Yeah.
And I don't know if many people know this thing, but you're probably one of the fastest guitarists in the country today.
Pretty okay. Pretty decent.
So humble. But tell me something, when you started at the age of 11, started playing the guitar, तो कभी ऐसा जहन में था कि I'll be a big rock star, where my shows are going to be sold out?
I was thinking you will just suddenly ask. कभी ये सुना था तू मेरे साथ शो में बैठा? He almost built up like that.
But ये तो obvious ही बात है कि तेरे बड़े अच्छे पुराने जन्म के घर में जो
कि मैं आज तेरे साथ बैठा हूँ
कि तुझे मेरे जैसा भाई मिला है.
I had this dream which was actually something I can't even say it was a dream because I know it was not possible at that time. मैं तो सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि ये सपना भी कभी सच हो सकता है. It was a dream for me as every music passionate boy that मैं भी स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करूं, मेरे भी लोग फैंस हों, मेरी भी कोई एल्बम आए और मुझे सुनने बहुत हजारों लोग आए. That was a dream. It was bigger than a dream. And by God's grace, I am living my dream.
So who was your inspiration at that time?
Oh, lot of. See, since childhood, I've been, listening to more of Western music.
मुझे पता है ये इतना फिरंगी है, ये इतना फिरंगी है. आज भी मैं इसको बोलता हूँ, so I'm hardcore देसी, और आज भी मैं इसको बोलता हूँ यार चल एक हिंदी फिल्म देखने चलते हैं. No bro, मेरे पेट में दर्द है, मेरे कंधे में दर्द है. और मेरे को 6-8 महीने के बाद he's like very politely, भाई मैं ना हिंदी फिल्में देखता ही नहीं. So tell me, so you grew up on Western influences.
It's a very big, what do you call? It's almost like a miracle for me. My all-time favorite, my role model, somebody I really looked up to, singing his songs was Bryan Adams. 2004, me with Asma shared the stage with Bryan Adams. Just imagine, dreams do come true.
Wow.
So I've grown up listening to his songs, singing his songs, everything I do, Summer of '69. And in 2004, on his India tour, we shared the stage with him in Delhi and Bangalore. So just imagine what I must have gone through that moment, standing with him, sharing being with him backstage.
Yeah. That actually goes on to show that if you really put a lot of hard work and passion behind your dreams, then dreams do come true.
Absolutely.
So tell me honestly, अभी तो मेरे को पता है तू बहुत बड़ा prankster है, लेकिन मुझे ये बता, so how were you as a child? Were you exactly like this?
No.
Were you shy?
No, I was very shy. I was an introvert.
Were you studious?
No. Pretty average. Although I did my education.
Is that a sensitive topic?
No.
Let's
no.
discuss marks.
Marks?
6th standard.
Always first grade, but no.
I don't care about the grade. Tell me the marks. मेरे 5th से 10th standard में आते थे कुछ 68
Mr. Kunjun
to 73%.
तुझसे तो बेटर ही आते थे मेरे.
मेरे 68 to 73% आते थे. आपके कितने आते थे?
Almost the same.
तो फिर ये आसमा में कैसे पहुंचा? आपको पता कैसे लगा कि आसमा का ऐसा?
ये एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. मेरे 2 बड़े करीबी दोस्त थे जयपुर में, पंकज एंड जिनू. ओके, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी विद देम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. तो एक दिन वो लोग एक इंटरनेट का एक प्रिंट आउट लेके आया कि यार कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स, चैनल वी पॉप स्टार्स करके एक नया शो आ रहा है, चलते हैं, थोड़ा ट्राई करते हैं. मैंने सोचा था कि एक राउंड जाऊंगा, देखूंगा, एंजॉय करूंगा, एक्सपीरियंस करूंगा, वापस आ जाऊंगा. मैंने ये भी नहीं सोचा था कि एक राउंड का सेकंड राउंड में जाऊंगा, बिकॉज इवन जो क्यू में खड़े होकर जो लोग रियाज कर रहे थे, दे वर लाइक हमिंग, दे वर डूइंग लाइक दे वर सो गुड. मैं सोचा था मैं कहां इनके बीच में आके खड़ा हो गया. बट इट वॉज अ मिरेकल दैट द सेम पीपल who was singing so well outside, in front of the camera, in front of the judges, थोड़े से वो गड़बड़ा गए. And since I used to have a band, since I was used to performing in front of the audience, मेरे को स्टेज पे जाते ही मेरे अंदर थोड़ा सा
आपको तो प्लेग्राउंड बन गया,
डबल उल्टा हो गया. So I did pretty well in front of the judges and the camera, and they liked that. They liked the confidence and the style. And obviously मैंने गिटार भी बजाया.
क्या गाना गाया था?
उस टाइम तो हमको सेलेक्टेड कुछ गानों में से एक चूज करने को कहा था. मैंने वो गाया था, कोई कहे
गिटार के साथ
दे दो भाई. तो मैं एग्जैक्टली वही स्टाइल में गा रहा हूँ जिस स्टाइल में मैंने वहां गाया था. देखो ऐसे मैंने ऐसे शुरू किया था.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की होकर में है ये ज़माना. जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए मुस्कुराना, जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए लारा लारा. ओ हम लोगों की होकर में है ये ज़माना. Now you sing after me, okay? 1, 2, 3. बिगड़े दुनिया, झगड़े दुनिया, लड़े जो दुनिया, हम अपनी धुन में गाए दुनिया रूठे, बंधन टूटे, कोई छूटे, ना घबराओ. हे हम लोगों ने अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना, हो हम लोगों की होकर में है ये ज़माना. I sang like this, बिल्कुल बिंदास होके, least bothered about कि अरे सुर पक्का लग रहा नहीं लग रहा है. बस I just freaked out. They loved it. So I got the call from the channel that you are shortlisted for the 4th round. Now the thing is, उससे कुछ हफ्तों पहले, since I did my MBA in finance, मुझे एक बैंक में एक जॉब, एक क्रेडिट ऑफिसर पोस्ट के लिए फाइनल हो गया था, मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया था.
The only formality was one final board of directors के साथ एक interview था, which is like a formality. But on that day I was going to get the appointment letter. Can you believe that? वो date कौन सी थी? जिस दिन वो 4th round का audition था. So I had a choice to make. Either I go for the interview and get the job, or I go for the audition. And I'm sitting here because I took that audition as my choice.
I'm glad you actually took this risk.
Absolutely.
तो आज की डेट में ऐसा होता, अगर इसने बैंक में नौकरी कर ली होती तो
Yeah.
जो लोग तेरे से लोन मांगने आते थे, सर एक गाना सुन लो पहले, एक गाना सर, एक गाना, फिर मैं लोन पास करूंगा, सर एक पूरा सुनना पड़ेगा, सर इंग्लिश एक हिंदी. But I'm glad that you did that.
Exactly. But
If I'm not wrong, you're creating some album with Vasudha as
yes.
well. So all you Asma fans, he's coming back again.
Yes.
He's composing some really fantastic
Yes,
music
yes,
piece
yes.
with Vasudha, right?
Yes, that will again have the same Asma flavor to it.
And I better have the first information. There's another side to you which is very religious. And apart from fearing God, are you scared of anything else in life?
No, I don't think so. बोलना था क्या?
No, but I want to know. I said, are you really scared of anything? What is your biggest fear? Come on. You know what is my biggest fear? I'll tell you something very funny. Every time I have to travel for shoot or show, I have this fear कि मैं सुबह उठूंगा ही नहीं और मेरी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी.
अच्छा. Okay.
So, do you have such stupid fears, or are you genuinely scared of something?
The fear is always there that I don't know how the crowd's response would
react
be.
to it.
Yeah, because I always have.
But I know this thing for sure that every time you're on stage, everybody wants more and more of you and more of your music.
God's grace.
So, Jimmy, as a musician, as an entertainer, what keeps you going? What inspires you?
Well, as an entertainer, you took the right word. I definitely want to call myself as an entertainer because that's what I love to do. I love to entertain people. Whenever I see, even if it is like a bunch of my friends listening to me playing my guitar, when I see those happy faces, when I see them smile and sing with me, that gives me such a high, such a kick. That kick keeps me going, I love to entertain everybody as long as I'm, because I'm fortunate to have something with which I can add happiness to people's lives. So I think that is enough for me to keep my passion going.
And I know that you are a very blessed soul.
How
and
sweet.
very talented soul.
How sweet.
And I only wish that in coming times, आप और बेहतरीन music बनाओ.
Thank
And
you
people
so
get
much.
to see more of you and hear more of your music.
How sweet.
Love
Thank you, my brother. Love you so much. God bless you, my brother.
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.